Innocent. But look, check this out, man. Y'all know I just woke up about a tip. Look at my, oh my God, look at my eyebags, bro. I'll be up late. But anyway, bro, I'm finna go ahead and just drop my car for real quick to go get alignment, man. Posted it last time, but everybody booked up, so I just waited till Monday, early in the morning, just drop it off. Then I'm gonna drop it off at a spot around the corner from the crib so I can just walk back, you feel me? Ain't no shame in my game, you feel me? I put these, shout out these feet put some miles in, but in the video, man, just stay tuned. I don't know what's coming in the video, but just stay prepared. I'm just bring y'all along with me. It's your boy AyyMelt. Hey, look, make sure you watch the whole video, bro. Make sure you watch the whole video, bro. I know y'all been wanting to get to the little sweet spots because I do the other YouTubes, bro. But if you really mess with your dog, man, just watch the whole video, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button too, man. I appreciate all the support, man. But turn back on the camera when I pull up to the shop. You know what I'm saying? You're fresh on my mind, bro. I just want to take y'all down a little memory lane real quick. Just real quick. Man, before I even got into YouTube, I spoke everything to existence. You know what I'm saying? A lot of manifesting, a lot of late nights, writing my goals down in notebooks, and all of a sudden, bro, I got a full bolt on RT, bro. Like, while I was at work, I'm planning like everything, and I wonder if I was gonna ever do it. You know what I'm saying? And I did it, bro. Bro, all I'm saying is, bro, real quick, man, if you really want something, bro, go after it. Especially you gotta take that leap of faith, bro. Like when I got this car, I looked at it as an investment. You know what I'm saying? Even my cousin was looking at me crazy, like, investment? I'm like, yeah, bro. But other than that, bro, what I'm saying is, bro, go after what you want, man. If not, bro, you're gonna be looking crazy. I hate when folks do this, bro. Dang. But gonna be looking crazy in the future because you know, like, dang, I should have did that, I should have did that, bro. Do it, bro. Do it. Go after it, bro. You better not jump in front of me either. You guys already know me as soon as I walk through the door. Hey, they tell me, you need to stop beating up on your car. I'm gonna do it, bro. You feel me? But nah, bro. Look, this how you know I'm from. I won't say yeah, I am from the hood. I'm proud of it. Can't lie to you. But I'm finna walk my country self back across the street and finna clean up my crib. But turn back on the camera when everything done, you feel me? Damn, I can't believe I'm doing this again, but I feel country. I already know folks be like, but I saw Melt walking, boy. But stop trying me, man. Pulling back up, the pit bay up, you feel me? Y'all come shop my boy, they take care of you. Hey, on my mama, if you in Dothan, you ride through Dothan, bro, come up here and get your alignment, tire chain, like, bro, they got deals. I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you, they got deals. Welcome back. So check this out right here, man. Company has sent me some ceramic coating spray, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shine Arm, I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a good review, man. I'm gonna make sure you guys check this out. Oh, I'm gonna give y'all a rundown with that right there. Remember I said in my last video, sponsorships? This is just like a little, I won't say little, I ain't gonna do myself like that. But this is a opportunity for me to step out, meet different brands, you know what I'm saying? I might meet a bigger brand, you never know. But sponsorship, bro, this is what you want people to basically send you free stuff so you can try it on your vehicle, you know what I'm saying? How you feeling, bro?
Pretty good, Brother Charles.
About to go to the Army, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, head ass, you feel me? My boy. Now we're finna apply, man. The work is magic, man. Hey, now we gonna apply it on there. Now we gotta let it dry marinate, you feel me? They give me one little moment. Yes, sir. That bitch shining too. Ooh. Make it nasty. Finna the head down here to one of the new spots, performance shops we got down here in Florida. See what's going on, man. Turn back on the camera when we get there. Yerp. me chill out. Yeah, especially up here, boy. Chill out right here. Let me chill out right here. Oh, Migos. Hey, man, look. Oh, yeah, bro. Make sure y'all live life, bro. For real, like real deal, bro. I hate that they took Takeoff, man. I just messed up, bro. Just make sure y'all live life, bro. For real, for real. That's the message, man. Just live life, take advantage of every opportunity you got, bro. You never know, bro. Your life can be took. You might be in the wrong place at the wrong time, bro. Hate that for dog, bro. Shit, can I kick group? Outside first, man. I'm a Mustang fan. I just don't drive one. I like them. I just like Mopar. Don't get me wrong, bro. But check out this setup, man. They ain't got the motor in right now, but they got, you know what I'm saying, a good suspension work. Let's go ahead and walk in real quick, man. Good E85, real deal. Let's walk in, bro. Yeah. Wanna, you know what I'm saying? One of the performance shots we find out down here. Sheesh, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. They're gonna show the tag off. Check this out, man. I'm getting caught up in looking and trying not to film, bro. I'm really, that's my first time really just being in a performance shop. Sheesh.
A guy named Carl Gilbert from Bluntstown.
Let me back up for y'all.
He's my age. He's 53.
Man.
And he used to, back in the day, he used to work.
They doing everything to him, bro. Oh.
He looked real close over that.
I ain't want to get on. Oh my goodness. That said, this one, the fastest one in here. It's where most likely I'm gonna let build my car, like put my cam in or supercharge. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of things on my sleeve. And I got a dyno, bro. Oh yeah, we gonna find my home. I ain't want to put everything on camera because I'm talking about my build, and I want to surprise y'all what I got coming. But bro, I'm major excited about this, man. Oh my mama, I'm excited, man. We gonna find a performance shop, bro. This is what I was looking for, cause I'm gonna be real. I didn't know who can put it on, order it, and do all the stuff. But now we'll find somebody who know how to put everything on, order it for us, and tune it out. It's up. You feel me? Check him out. You know he horny.
Yo.
He talking about yo.
I see that cat right here. You know what I'm saying?
That be gonna be slow, bro. Ooh, we found one of our little babies. Oh my god. I ain't gonna pop your hood. I ain't gonna do that because I don't know who it is, dog. It's pretty. Hey, this the one he was talking about right here. Off the scenes, I ain't cut the camera on because, like I said, I was talking about my build. But this the one who got a supercharger on. This the 6.4 right here, bro. So if you have a supercharger, you can I said supercharger, but if you have a 6.4, you can supercharge it, man. You gotta be properly built. Y'all knew that.
Oh, for real?
Fat daddies. Yeah, I'm so glad. I'm really excited, bro, that I did find a performance shop I know can do what I wanted to do, and it's around the area, bro. So be on the lookout for updates on my car, you know what I'm saying? And just know I'm in the process of making more power, you know what I'm saying? I'm making it into a monster. At the same time, I'm making it look good too. So stay tuned, man. But I'm gonna end the video right here, man. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you watch the video, the whole video, man. You feel me? Cause without y'all, my channel ain't nothing, bro. But I appreciate the love and support. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you drop your thoughts below, man. Appreciate all the love and support. It's your boy AyyMelt. I'm out. Yeah.